Folks, welcome back. So today I went to the post office and I got a parcel, and in that parcel came some spares. A little while ago I was been raving about this drone and I was thrashing it, and you know what? It broke. Yep, she broke. What actually broke on it? This prop here broke. Or was it this one? We'll feel like that one. I better start it up and have a look. Yeah, so the prop broke, the top scratched up a bit, and that was pretty much it. So I checked out eBay and Banggood and a couple of other suppliers, and I managed to find some spares. So I'll have a look which one is broken shortly. So the spare kit here, as I said, I'll leave a link in the description where I got it from. Costs about $19 Australian. So you get yourself a new case, a top cover lid, whatever you want to call it. I've got a spare set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got plenty of props there. I'm going to replace all the props on this too. I'm going to get this thing looking like new and flying like new. And more importantly, we have 1, 2, 3. Interesting. 4, sorry. It's hiding in the lid. So 4 gear shafts, 4 new motors. So I think we should try and put this thing back together. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see in here, we have a problem. It's quite hard to work out which one it is, unless it stops spinning like that one there did just then. You aren't sure what one it is, and you can't tell by wiggling it. Generally, if you spin it around, it spins pretty freely. If there's a problem with it, it'll glitch and you'll feel friction there. Failing that, get yourself a long screwdriver, stick it on the arm, put that screwdriver to your ear, and you can soon hear which one is faulty, because it's very, very loud. It's a horrible grindy noise. So okay, so this is our knackered one, so we'll fold those in. Broken, need to be replaced. Okay, I'll try and make this nice and quick for you guys. I think we'll take this lid off first. And you can see what's underneath. And cue the fast forward. Okay, so lid's off, 10 screws, don't lose them. Little antenna there, I think that just sits down there. That'd be good if it was sticking up in the air rather than being hidden in there, but I suppose they know what they're doing. I think that should probably be at the rear here. Might put that at the rear there. Careful of the little lights, they tend to pop out. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to now replace that one there. This prop shaft here. So what I'm going to do is replace the motor and the prop as well. Might as well do them both. I'll stick a new motor in. Why not? Now, be careful of these motors, because obviously, as I've just picked up, you get this kit 2 are black and 2 are white. So, and the black ones have red and blue electric cable, and the white have white and black. So, obviously, it has something to do with where they're placed. So, the one I'm replacing is actually looking like it is red and blue. me take off that one there. This big screw here, which looks like it will undo the arm, and out she pops. Okay, and I'm going to do the rest once I've disconnected these wires here, so I'll get my soldering iron sorted. Make sure the wires are on top of the board, which they are. Okay. Okay, so make sure you locate the correct wires and you remember where they actually come from. So we got blue, we got a blue at the back, and we've got a red at the front. So let's see if we can get our solder in there. And carefully take those two wires off there. Blue at the back, red at the front. Make sure we... Next thing to do is to open up the arm. Yes, a couple more screws. Yeah. Let's get these over here first. So what I'm going to do before I put it back together, antenna there. Before I put it back together, I'm going to do a quick test to make sure it's actually working. Okay, so let's power them on. Okay, now of course it won't fly, we just want to make sure our connections are right and our cog's spinning. So and she's definitely spinning. Out with the old. Again, you'll see, yeah, one's fairly worn, with broken teeth. Don't know if you guys can see that. Try and do a bit of a zoom in here. And one's nice and fresh, so let's get rid of the old one. Yeah, look, don't hurry these things, folks, because you just forget stuff. Anything like me, anyway. Now, all going well, this should sound like a brand new JJRC selfie drone. That's the noise we're after. That's what we want. Excellent. And a bit of power. Much better. Alright. Terrific. Okay, let's go ahead and put it back together again and have a look at the finished product. Okay, all done. Excellent. Folding legs. Great stuff. New lid. New motor, and we are ready to fly. So awesome. Let's go have a quick flight, make sure she works. So it's a bit on the windy side, so be careful not to crash it again. But yeah, this drone, yeah, it looks like brand new again, which is terrific. Yeah, 20 bucks if you do smash your drone up a bit. And you think, well, should I chuck it out? Just buy yourself some spares. And you've got yourself a brand new drone again. Okay, let's get this in the picture here for you guys. Beauty with these drones is you can hold a camera whilst flying. Careful, the wind is really windy here, so I just want to show you guys that yeah, this drone's working really well again. So pretty happy about that. Again, I'll leave some links in the description about where to get this stuff from, all these bits and pieces. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Nice and quiet again, like it was when I bought it. So, oh, it's really good. And here comes the wind. Let's see if we can put it down on the ground before it crashes. Awesome. And up you come again. No probs. There you have it, folks. Fixing your ELFIE Plus JJRC. So that's let's go down and land. So that it behaves and looks like brand new again. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you got something from this. Grab us a subs, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a comment. Any questions? Happy to answer them. Otherwise, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a terrific day. Catch you next time.